Da li ja hoću 3 minuta svog vremena da posmatram zidove, prostoriju i drkađije koji iznova pričaju istu stvar u različitim rečeničnim konstrukcijama?
Ja moram reći, ja sam vrlo fluent u srpskom i u hrvatskom, a vrlo podnošljiv na bosanskom i crnogorskom.
Znači, uglavnom, kod tih krupnih investiranja ćeš imati taj neki legitimni deo biznisa, imat ćete klasičnu mafiju i uvijek im trebati neka politička zaleđa.
That's what we do, acts of journalism. Making something that people don't see, don't know, don't understand into something they do understand.
Which really is the most single important factor about human beings is they all are capable of incredible differences in their creativities.
Ako vi uspete da svojom pričom dodirnete čoveka koga nikad nećete upoznati i da napravite za osobu koja vam neće reći ti si car, onda nas to vraća na onaj sami istinski početak, a to je zašto, iz kog razloga bilo ko želi da bude nominiran.
A onako, znate, taj arapski svijet ima novca, ali ga ne rasipaju. Ne dijeli oni to džabe.
When I was invited to the festival, the name of the festival really intrigued me.
I think social media gives journalists a way to stand out in a world that's quite overloaded with information.
Jer naravno, kada Gotovinu osude na 24 godine, onda je većina Hrvatske tužna, a većina Srbije sretna.
I think the media at the moment, when I watch it and listen to it, is too full of stuff that happens, if you see what I mean, and it's not got enough of stuff that matters.
Vjerujte mi, kad radite za više država, provjera vaše kredibilnosti i profesionalnosti je kad nijedna država s vama nije do kraja zadovoljna.
Story is not to be underestimated. We are surrounded by a lot of stories, but story is still the essential act of what we want to get to. It's a container to put in stuff. And if it's a good story, it travels. It will be reaching out to other people.
I mean, this is what journalism is heading towards, and it's nothing to be scared of. It's amazing. I'm completely thrilled about it. Look, above everything else, no matter what, the most important thing is content.